The Korg Kronos contains 9 powerful sound engines. One of these is the PolySixEX. The PolySixEX is a virtual analog synth which is comprised of the features and sonic character of the classic Korg PolySix and the additional functionality that the power of the Kronos brings to it. It boasts a whopping 180 voice polyphony and an oscillator, a sub-oscillator, a 4-pole resonant low-pass filter, dedicated chorus, ensemble, and phaser effects, as well as classic ADSR parameters, and 2 multi-stage envelope generators, and much, much more. Let's dive into this expansive sound engine so that you can take advantage of all the power underneath your fingertips.
Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the Korg Kronos, and specifically today we're going to be going over the Korg PolySixEX sound engine. Now I do want to say this is video number 4, and I would recommend that you watch these videos in sequential order. That way you can understand everything that's going on. You don't have to, but I would recommend it. And hey, if you are back here from another video that you saw on my channel or another tutorial, go ahead and smash that like button if you're getting any value out of what you are watching. Okay, so today we're going to be going over the effects section of the Korg PolySix sound engine. In the effects section, it comes with 3 different effects. You have a chorus, a phase, and an ensemble, and it's all controlled by this knob here. So let's go to the, well, first of all, we can hear it with it off. That's no effect at all. And the next one is chorus. And the next one is phase. And the last one, which is my personal favorite, is ensemble. Now the next knob here is the spread, and the spread controls the actual stereo spread of each effect. So if I take the stereo spread down, if you have on headphones, you can hear this. And I take the spread all the way up. Just creates a wider stereo spread. So same thing applies to every single effect. The chorus, and take the spread up. Excellent. And then the third and final knob in this section is going to be the speed/intensity knob. Now, in your chorus, in your phase, this knob controls the speed, and in your ensemble effect, it controls the depth. So right now we're on chorus. If I turn it up, you can hear the speed of the chorus get faster. Let's go to phase, and then we're going to go to the speed intensity, turn it all the way down. Now turn it all the way up. And the same thing is true for the ensemble. It's all the way up now, or we can turn it all the way down. So pretty easy effects section. It's just 3 effects. You have your stereo spread, which widens your stereo field or shortens it. And then you have your speed and intensity, which adjusts your speed or depth depending on which effect that you select. But again, one of the most powerful things that the Korg Kronos can do is the fact that you can put 2 PolySix sounds together and have them playing at the same time. So this is something that on the actual legacy PolySix you would not actually be able to do. So I'm going to come over here and just hit common. Let's have a little bit of fun. And I went over this in another tutorial. We're going to go to our second slot here, and I'm going to select the PolySix in my second slot. So now I have 2 PolySix engines going at the same time. And I'm going to make some adjustments to the to both of them here. So on my first one, I'm going to select ensemble, and I'm going to take the speed intensity all the way up, and my spread is all the way up as well. And on my second one, I'm going to switch it to chorus. And I'm going to take the spread all the way up, and I'm going to leave the intensity selection at 5. Perfect. All right, now let's go here to my, we'll go to my second one, and I'm going to detune it and bring the tuning down. Now I went over the pitch section in a different tutorial, so if you're getting a little lost, you might want to just take a look at that. Perfect. Now I'm going to take number 1 here, my first PolySix sound engine, and I'm going to sync it with the tempo. I'm going to change my mode to VCF so I can control the filter cutoff. And I'm just going to increase the level here. Of the LFO. And then we can add a drum track. All right, so that's it for today. I will see you guys on the next tutorial.